Welcome to South Korea. There is something about this country. It's a place of culture and development, where you can experience the past through the innovations of the future. There is nothing like this place, one of a kind. A dynamic place, always changing positively. There is something about this place. Constantly ranked what's best in education. There is something about this country. Rich in delicious meals, enriching and satisfying. Deep-rooted in culture, tradition, and language. There is something about this country. In the middle of the busy street or quiet place, there is so much history. And it has room to grow. Join me to share this with the world. Korea is beautiful. Now don't stop sharing it.